Hi guys, it's Shalini and welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is all about my PCOD diet plan, what I eat in a day. मैं ऐसे वीडियोस करती रहती हूँ अपने चैनल पे. उन सारी वीडियोस के लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे अगर आपको कुछ हेल्दी टिप्स, डाइट और रेसिपीज जानने हैं. Now today's video is all about intermittent fasting diet plan which I've been following for the past 1.5 month. Hey, this is the editing Shalini. So मैंने realize किया that I've been pronouncing the term intermittent wrong all this time. So please don't hate me for it. So basically intermittent fasting में आपको एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम के लिए खाना खाना रहता है और फिर नहीं खाना रहता है बाकी टाइम के लिए. जो पर्टिकुलर टाइम के लिए मैं खाना खाती हूँ दैट इज़ 8 आवर का विंडो रहता है मेरे पास, जिसमें मैं 2 प्रॉपर मील लेती हूँ और वो मील होना चाहिए फुल ऑफ प्रोटीन, फाइबर, गुड हेल्दी फैट एंड लो कार्ब. ठीक है. और फिर 16 घंटे के लिए मैं खाना नहीं खाती हूँ. मेरा जो बॉडी रहता है वो फास्टिंग मोड में चला जाता है. आई डोंट स्टार्व माई सेल्फ, जस्ट रिमेंबर दैट गाइज. सो इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग के काफ़ी हेल्दी बेनिफिट्स हैं. That is why I've been doing this. जैसे कि it improves your gut health. That is what I need currently. It also balances the hormone. PCOD क्या है? Imbalance of hormones. So balance करना है मुझे अपना hormone. It also aids with fat loss और मुझे weight loss भी करना है. So that is also a plus point for me. It also improves your metabolism and that is what I need. I won't say that I go for like 7 days a week intermittent fasting. नहीं हो पाता मुझसे, but 4 से 5 दिन तो मैं कर ही लेती हूँ. Now without further ado, let's begin with what I eat in a day, my PCOD diet. So उठने के तुरंत बाद I will have water. Sometimes I will have ACV with it, but today I just felt like having 2 glasses of normal water. So it's time to break my fast and these are all the things that I'm gonna have. 1 handful of peanut, some almonds, ghee and ghee को अच्छे से गटकने के लिए some lukewarm water. आप चाहो तो घी टर्मरिक वाटर भी ले सकते हो, but I'm not used to that now ghee is a really great source of energy, good fat, intestinal health के लिए अच्छा होता है. So half an hour to 45 minutes later, I'm gonna have my first proper meal. For that, I'm gonna have today protein chila. इस चीला को बनाने की रेसिपी आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मैं दे दूंगी. Basically, there's going to be 3 main source of protein to make this chila. First are gluten-free rolled oats, जिसको मैंने ग्राइंडर में अच्छे से पीस लिया है to have proper texture for the chila, you know. Secondly, I'm having besan. This is completely optional. आप चाहो तो oats की quantity बढ़ा सकते हो. And thirdly and most important, half a scoop of plant-based protein. This is by OZiva. This is again soy-free, gluten-free, non-GMO, no added sugar. It has lactose-free भी है, no artificial sweetener. It has no preservative and no trans fat. This is made up of organic, good source of protein like brown rice and also quinoa, जो कि मुझे खाना काफ़ी पसंद है. So जब भी मुझे अपने डाइट में प्रोटीन का सोर्स इंक्रीज करना रहता है, this is what I like to add. I also like to add this on my pancakes sometimes. So पता भी नहीं चलता, आपके खाने में चला जाता है और आपका प्रोटीन सोर्स भी इंक्रीज हो जाता है. And after that I'm gonna add chopped coriander leaves, some onion and tomato. You can add whatever vegetable that you like and स्वाद के लिए whatever masala that you like. I just added some rock salt, some mirch powder and some turmeric. And I started mixing all the ingredients पहले dry and I started adding water धीरे धीरे gradually and I started mixing the paste. जब भी आपको लगे कि thick हो रहा है paste, you can add more water. So gradually add करना ही सही रहेगा ताकि ये जो batter है वो ज़्यादा पतला ना हो जाए, वरना आपको इसको पकाने में दिक्कत होगी and it won't cook properly, you know. Now I'm gonna heat up the pan and to that I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of ghee और इसी पूरे घी में मैं 3 छोटे छोटे चीलास बना लूँगी. I will scoop up 1 tablespoon of that batter and add that to my pan और एक स्पून की मदद से मैं उसे अच्छे से फैला दूंगी ताकि वो इवन दिखे और राउंड सा दिखे. और ऐसे 3 छोटे छोटे चीलास में बनाऊंगी इसी सेम पैन में. एंड आई एम गोना कुक ईच साइड फॉर अप टू 3 to 4 minutes in medium heat and I will flip the side and cook the other side for up to 3 to 4 minutes. Lastly, I will use my lid and cover up the chila ताकि वो अच्छे से और cook हो जाए for up to 2 to 3 minutes. So I made 3 of these. They were very yummy and fulfilling. They tasted so good, guys. I had this with some नींबू का अचार. They are great source of probiotics and घर का बना हुआ बैगन का भरता. भी बैटर बच गया, आप उसको टपरवेयर में स्टोर कर सकते हो फॉर लेटर यूज. इट कैन बी स्टोर्ड फॉर अप टू 1 day. time to cook my last meal of the day. So after coming back from the workout, this is what I made. This is full of protein, great fiber and great source of complex carb. आज के vegetable का कोटा पूरा करने के लिए I'm gonna have one medium size का broccoli. I love the taste of broccoli. मुझे खुद broccoli बना के खाना इतना अच्छा लगता है, थोड़ा सा crunchy taste करता है. And there is also a secret sauce that I'm gonna show you how I like to make it. Very easy to make it is. So आपने देखा मैंने fingers की help से broccoli को तोड़ा है. You can also use a knife if you are comfortable with the knife. And then I'm gonna wash my broccoli. I made sure कि उनके सारे sizes same हो, ज़्यादा बड़े ना हो और ज़्यादा छोटे ना हो. Now in a non-stick pan, I'm going to use some ghee and add some garlic to it and saute the garlic, and after that I'm going to add my broccoli to it. In a medium heat, I will cover up the lid of the pan and cook my broccoli. इसको कुछ 10 मिनट लगेंगे पकने के लिए, and while my broccoli is cooking, and I'm going to make some sauce for the broccoli. For that I'm using half a tablespoon of organic non-sweetened peanut butter. This is by OZiva again. अब मैं इस हाफ अ टेबल स्पून ऑफ पीनट बटर में 2 स्पून पानी डाल के इसको अच्छे से मिक्स करना शुरू कर दूंगी, ताकि जो टेक्सचर है पीनट बटर का वो क्रीमी होना शुरू हो जाए. और धीरे धीरे करके व्हेन द कंसिस्टेंसी ऑफ द पीनट बटर एंड वाटर टर्न्स वेरी वेरी क्रीमी, आई एम गोना ऐड लॉट ऑफ सॉल्ट एंड थोड़ा सा मिर्च पाउडर, क्योंकि दिस इज अ ग्रेट सोर्स ऑफ हेल्दी फैट. यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज आलमंड बटर इफ यू वांट टू. एंड दैट्स माई सॉस गाइज. इट इज वेरी इजी टू मेक. नाउ दैट माई ब्रोकली इज कुक्ड प्रॉपर्ली, टू दैट आई एम गोना ऐड सम कोरिएंडर पाउडर. मैं नमक ऐड नहीं कर रही हूँ क्योंकि मैंने सॉस में ऑलरेडी ऐड कर लिया है. माई ब्रोकली इज कुक्ड एंड सर्व्ड. उसके ऊपर यू कैन ऐड योर सॉस whatever amount that you want. I'm gonna make part 2 of my meal, that is omelette. सबके omelette बनाने का तरीका अलग होता है, and this one is very easy to make and this tastes so yummy. So to make it I'm using my omelette वाला pan. ये बहुत ही पुराना और रस्टी सा दिख रहा होगा, but this is the only pan that we have to make omelette. उसमें मैंने ऐड किया है थोड़ा सा घी. To that I added chopped garlic, mirchi, onion and banana peppers. So I just sauteed them for 1 to 2 minutes, and after that I cracked 3 egg directly onto the pan and उसको मैंने कुक किया है for up to 1 minute. And to that I added थोड़ा सा नमक and मिर्ची, and I started flipping my omelette धीरे धीरे करके, making sure that I'm not making a bhurji, it's still a omelette. So when the omelette turns थोड़ा सा golden brownish, I know that it has started cooking properly and it also smells so good and yummy. So once the omelette is done, our meal is prepared guys. So for dinner I had my sauteed vegetable, that is broccoli, and some omelette, and also one green dal ka chila, jiska recipe aapko description box mein mil jayega. There is also a video for it. Sometimes I like to have them well plated. Sometimes I will mix them all together like a omelette salad and I will just have it. After my meal I was craving some sweet, so I had one Stevia Chocolate. This is extremely low on calorie. And after having my last meal, I came back to my room and I had omega-3 capsule, good for your skin, hair and health basically. So yeah, that is what I had, and with that I completed my meal. Throughout the day I was sipping up water. Okay, I just skipped that part in this video, but I'm just letting you know. Honestly speaking, I love eating vegetables. They are filled with antioxidants and they can really improve your skin health. आपका skin clear करने में काफ़ी help करता है. They are filled with fiber. And also one more thing that I forgot to mention in the starting part of this video, that I also sought professional help this time. And why and how? Why का reason ये है कि I really wanted to improve my relationship with my food, which was all over the places in the month of December and November because of a lot of traveling and attending 3 different weddings. That kind of messed up with my health. I'm talking about internal and external health both, because I was not working out regularly. I was not keeping track of my food. I was eating unhealthy food, I would say, most of the time. And also it triggered my PCOD. I started gaining weight. I was getting a lot of acne on my face. There was hair fall. My mood swings. There was a lot of mood swings and I was being very very irritated all the time. And my PCOD was basically triggered like crazy. So I wanted to take control of that. वैसे तो मुझे पता है कि eating healthy is a great way to control your PCOD and working out regularly. But कभी कभार आपको एक push की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. कभी कभार आपको एक person चाहिए रहता है जिसके साथ आप discuss कर सको, your food habits and what you really want to do and change in your lifestyle. And that was the push that I needed. So the professional help that I seeked from is from a dietitian. Her name is Janhavee Agrawal. वो पहले भी मेरे चैनल पे एक बार आ चुकी हैं and she is really good with her work guys. उनके Instagram का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मैं दे दूंगी. So So Janvi has no idea that I'm doing this video. I hope she likes this video. On that note, this was the video for today, guys. I will keep on doing more of such what I eat in a day video, some healthy recipes wale video in future. So I will see you all next time with brand new video. Make sure you're a subscriber of my channel. अगर आपने subscribe नहीं किया तो hit that subscribe button right now and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever I post new videos on my channel. मैं आपसे बाद में मिलती हूँ with brand new content. Bye bye.